Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be showing you how to use Microsoft Bing Create to generate images for free. Bing Create is a text-to-image generator tool provided by Microsoft that uses AI to produce images. It is based on OpenAI's DALL-E, so if you're familiar with DALL-E prompts, using Bing Create will be a breeze for you. The best part is, you don't need any additional applications to use it, and it can be accessed on any browser, including mobile browsers on Android or iOS. To use Bing Create, all you need is a Microsoft account. Let's get started. First, go to the Bing Create page. You can find the link in the video description. If you already have a Microsoft account, click Join and Create, and log in. If you don't have one, you can easily create a new account using your Gmail email or GitHub account. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the Bing Image Creator dashboard. Start by typing in your prompt, then click Create to generate your image. Wait for the process to complete. Bing Create will provide you with 4 images for a single generation process. You can also use the Surprise Me button to generate a random prompt automatically. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI tutorial videos. See you in the next one.